Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2023 Chrysler Voyager equipped with the FR Conversions rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. This one is going to have the automatic liftgate, and on the sides here you have latches that will unlock the ramp. And you can just bring it down like this. So this ramp here is going to be 36 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. And this one here has an extra jump seat that will fold out of the way. Now that the chair is folded out of the way, you can have one person in the wheelchair back here. And in the middle, you will have captain's chairs. And this van here only has 13,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring in the ramp. You use this handle here to lift it up. And then you can lock it using these latches on the side. Go ahead and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans, and on top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 13,000 miles. It will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.